Hello students, today we will discuss about internal resistance, electromotive force and terminal potential difference. You know the function of a cell, it used as a power supply in the circuit. When a cell is connected in the circuit, it drives the charge. The rate of flow of charge is known as current. When current passes through the cell, its electrolyte offer resistance to the flow of current because the ions present inside the dielectric have to move against the background of other ions and neutral atoms. Now let us define internal resistance of the cell. The resistance offered by the electrolyte of cell when electric current flows through it is known as internal resistance of the cell. It is denoted by small r. Here R is the internal resistance of the cell. For a freshly prepared cell, the internal resistance is very low. But as the cell is put to more and more use, its internal resistance goes on increasing. Next is electromotive force. The potential difference between two poles of the cell in an open circuit is known as electromotive force or EMF of the cell. EMF. What is open circuit? Come to the same diagram again. Here one cell is there. Voltmeter is connected across the cell. R is internal resistance. Capital R is external resistance. Here K is the key which is not pressed. So this circuit is known as open circuit since no current is drawn from the cell. Due to its EMF, a cell drives charge in the circuit. Therefore, EMF of a cell is also defined as the energy required to move a unit charge around the complete circuit. It is denoted by capital E. The SI unit of EMF is volt or joule per coulomb. The EMF of a cell is called 1 volt if 1 joule of work is performed by the cell to move 1 coulomb of charge around the circuit. Remember one thing, though it is named as electromotive force, it does not represent any force. Instead, it represents work done per unit charge to drive the carriers of electricity. Next is terminal potential difference. The potential difference between two poles of the cell in a closed circuit is known as terminal potential difference. Closed circuit means when current is drawn from the cell. Come to the diagram. Now press the key. Current I will be drawn from the cell. Total resistance of the circuit is equivalent of series combination of external resistance R and internal resistance of cell small r. So equivalent resistance of circuit is capital R plus small r. Remember that terminal potential difference is denoted by V and its SI unit is also volt. According to Ohm's law, I equals to E upon R plus R. Since current is drawn from the cell, terminal potential difference is less than EMF. So V equals to E minus IR, where I into small r is the potential drop across the internal resistance of the cell. If no current drawn from the cell, that is I equals to 0, V equals to E. But V equals to IR. So V equals to E upon R plus R into R. Here we put the value of I. So R plus R equals to E upon V into R, implies that R equals to E upon V R minus R. So R equals to E upon V minus 1 into capital R, which is the required expression for internal resistance of a cell. Thank you.